Hey there, welcome to my channel, Multi-Home Decor, Canvas Wall Art for Living Room. Elevate your space with timeless elegance. Your living room is more than just a place to sit. It's the heart of your home. It's where conversations spark, memories unfold, and comfort meets style. One of the most impactful ways to enhance this central space is through thoughtful wall decor. Canvas wall art for the living room is adaptable, expressive, and durable, fitting any home design concept. If you are moving to a new house, you might want to update your space. Canvas artwork is a great option. It is stylish and budget-friendly. In T's Guide, we will look at why canvas wall art is great for living rooms. We will also discuss how to pick the perfect piece, tips for where to place it, and trends to watch in 2025. Why choose canvas wall art for your living room? Canvas wall art goes beyond decoration. It's truly transformative. Unlike framed prints or metal posters, canvas pieces offer a tactile, gallery-like finish that adds depth and warmth to your walls. The canvas texture, along with rich colors and brushstroke effects, gives a feeling of authenticity. Moreover, canvas art is incredibly durable. It resists fading, doesn't require glass, which can glare under lighting, and is easy to clean with a soft, dry cloth. For families with kids or pets, this low-maintenance quality is a major plus. Canvas art adds character and style to a space. No matter if you like simple landscapes, abstract art, old photos, or strong typography, there's a canvas piece for you. It'll match your taste and your living room style. How to choose the perfect canvas wall art for your living room. Selecting the right piece involves more than picking what looks nice. Think about these important factors to make sure your canvas art fits your space and improves its feel. 1. Match your color palette. Your living room's existing color scheme should guide your selection. If your furniture and walls are neutral, think beige, gray, or white, a vibrant, colorful canvas can serve as a stunning focal point. On the other hand, if your area is already vibrant or patterned, choose monochrome or subdued colors to even out the visual impact. Pro tip: pull 1 or 2 accent colors from your rug, throw pillows or curtains, and find a canvas that echoes them. This creates cohesion without being overly matchy. 2. Consider scale and proportion. A common mistake is choosing art that's too small for the wall. Your canvas should cover about 2/3 to 3/4 of the wall space. This is the area above your sofa or console table. For large walls, consider a gallery wall of multiple canvases, or a single oversized statement. For standard living rooms, canvases between 24 by 36 inches and 36 by 48 inches work well. If you have high ceilings or an open layout, feel free to choose larger art. You can go 4 sizes like 48 by 60 inches or even bigger. 3. Reflect your personality and lifestyle. Your living room should feel like you. Are you Consider a vintage map or a series of cityscape canvases. Love nature, botanical prints, or ocean waves? Evoke.com. Into modern design, geometric shapes, or minimalist line art add sophistication. Also, think about who uses the space. If it's family-centric, choose uplifting or playful themes. If it's more of an adult lounge, moody abstracts or black and white photography might suit better. Placement tips: where and how to hang your canvas art. Even the most beautiful canvas can fall flat if it's poorly placed. Here's how to hang it right. Above the sofa, this is the most popular and effective spot. Center the canvas, or center of a multi-panel set. At eye level, roughly 8 to 10 inches above the back of the sofa. This establishes visual balance and grounds the seating space. Create a gallery wall if you have several small canvases. Arrange them in a grid, a cluster, or a straight line. Keep consistent spacing 2 to 3 inches between frames, and align the center of the arrangement with eye level. Flank a fireplace or TV. Symmetry is soothing. Hanging matching or complementary canvases on both sides of your fireplace or TV creates balance. This also draws the eye upward, making ceilings seem taller. Solo statement on a feature wall. Got an empty wall that feels cold or awkward? A single oversized canvas can turn it into a showstopper. Lean into drama with high contrast imagery or emotionally evocative subjects. 2025 Trends in Canvas Wall Art for Living. Rooms. Stay current with these emerging styles and themes. Earthy tones and organic textures, warm terra, mossy greens, and sandy beziers dominate 2024 interiors. Canvas art featuring desert landscapes, raw brushstrokes, or textilely inspired patterns fits right in. Abstract fluid art. Swirling acrylic pours and marbled effects add movement and energy to quiet spaces. These pieces are conversation starters and work especially well in modern or boho chic rooms. Nostalgic and retro vibes, vintage travel posters, 70s-inspired typography, and faded film photography are making a comeback. They add character without overwhelming contemporary furniture. Custom and personalized canvases. More homeowners are choosing custom pieces. These include family portraits as pop art, pet illustrations, and meaningful quotes in hand-lettered fonts. Personalization makes your space truly one of a kind. Where to buy quality canvas wall art? Not all canvases are created equal. Not all canvases are created equal. Look for retailers that offer high-resolution printing with fade-resistant inks, sturdy, warp-resistant wooden frames, hand-stretched canvas for taut, professional finish, eco-friendly materials, and ethical production. Popular online marketplaces like Etsy, Tegla Society, and Minted offer unique, artist-designed pieces. Big box retailers like Wayfair and Amazon provide budget-friendly multi-packs and fast shipping. For luxury or gallery-grade options, consider Sochi Art or local art fairs. Pro tip: read customer reviews carefully. Look for comments on color accuracy, packaging, and how the piece looks in real homes, not just in staged photos. DIY canvas wall art. A personal touch, feeling crafty. Creating your own canvas art is easier than you think, and deeply rewarding. You don't need to be an artist. Try stenciling bold shapes or quotes using washi tape to create geometric designs, then painting around them, transferring your own photos onto canvas with Mod Podge, collaborating with kids on a family abstract piece. Even imperfect DIY art carries emotional value and becomes a cherished centerpiece. Caring for your canvas wall art. To keep your investment looking fresh, dust regularly with a microfiber cloth. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent fading. Don't hang in humid areas like bathrooms or near heaters if it gets scuffed. Gently rub with a white eraser test in the corner first. With proper care, your canvas can last decades, long enough to become a family heirloom. Final thoughts. Make your living room uniquely yours. At the end of the day, your living room should reflect who you are and how you want to feel when you're in it. If you want calm, energy, nostalgia, or inspiration, canvas wall art for your living room is a great choice. It is flexible, beautiful, and personal. Don't overthink it. Trust your instincts. Choose what moves you. The best art does more than decorate a wall. It tells a story, sets a mood, and invites you to pause. It encourages you to breathe and enjoy the space you've created. So go ahead, browse that online gallery, visit that local artist studio, or pull out your paint. Your perfect canvas is waiting to transform your living room from ordinary to extraordinary. Ready to refresh your space? Start exploring canvas wall art today and discover how one piece can redefine your entire living room. Great design doesn't just get seen, it gets felt.